99 4Runner. I'm gonna show you guys where the oil filter is located at. By the way, how do you guys like my pink mat? All right, so this is the 3.5 or sorry 3.4, yeah, 3.4 liter oil filter is located right here. Turn the wheel all the way to the left, move this little piece right here. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Right there, that's your oil filter. Now you can use some oil filter cap tool to put there, and then use your extension, then you can remove the oil filter. That's the easiest way for me to do it. All right, this video helped you, please subscribe, comment if you got any questions, comment below, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.